19.
What's your name?
Haru.
Haru. And where do you live exactly?
Shela.
Shela.
Shela is the area. It's just behind the house.
And how long have you been a part of DASAC?
4 years.
And how did you find out about it?
Nalikujulisha DASAC kama vipi ulikuja ukaanza kucheza mpira na DASAC?
Miaka nyuma iliyopita 4.
He says he heard of DASAC 4 years ago, and he threw his friends, and then he was introduced to me.
And why do you choose DASAC?
Kwa nini umechagua DASAC?
Timu nzuri ya Malindi.
Because DASAC is a good team in Malindi and he's taking care of the youth interest.
Be more specific.
He likes DASAC because DASAC does take care of his interests. For example, it does care for the youth.
What does that mean?
It means that
Ask him.
Ina maana gani hiyo kwamba DASAC ni timu nzuri? Kwa nini DASAC ni timu nzuri?
Kwa sababu hatudhulumiwi, tunacheza tunapotaka, tunasikizwa na tunasikiza. Hakuna makosa yanayotendeka na yoyote.
Because DASAC treats its players well, and they are not cheated. And then DASAC, they can play football freely, and they are not string attached. That means they can do what they want. They are listening to the leaders, and leaders listen to them.
So how has DASAC changed your life?
DASAC imekubadilisha vipi maisha yako hii miaka mingi? Umeendelea vipi kimaisha ama maendeleo yako yani kimpira? Unafikiria vipi?
Naendelea uzuri, nasikia raha sana kwa maendeleo ya DASAC kucheza mpira, tumeacha uraibu kila kitu.
He said that DASAC has changed his life, and he has stopped all this using of drugs and things like that, smoking, because when he was in DASAC he used to use these kind of things that was destroying his future. And now he has become a responsible where he do fishing in the morning and then come and play football in the evening. And because of the DASAC program, that's why he's sitting there today.
What are your dreams about football, soccer?
Dream, unategemea gani kuhusu mpira na dream yako ni nini hasa kimpira? Future yako katika maisha yako mbele unafikiri kwamba una nafasi ya kuendelea kimpira?
Nafasi ya kuendelea mpira. Tunafanya, tunashukuru sana kwenye timu yetu ya DASAC, tunasaidiwa na viatu, jazi, panti, na ninatumaini tutaweza kufunguka kimaisha.
He says that through the DASAC program, that he can see there's a future in this project because they're getting boots, they're getting shirts, they're getting shorts provided by DASAC, as he has dressed it up himself. These are things were donated by clubs in Europe, which they are happy that they at least get this kind of things because they see DASAC as its youth team here, and it takes care of the youth interest.
How does your family feel about it?
Familia yako inafikiria vipi kuhusu haya mabadiliko yako familia yenu, yani wazazi wako?
Wazazi wangu wanafungua kushirikiana na mpira wa DASAC hapa Malindi, na tunasaidiwa na kila kitu. Tukiumia, tukitaka chochote kuhusu sport kids tunapata, na tunasikia raha, si kama timu nyingine huko. Timu nyingine tunafinywa, hata tukiletwa mazawadi nini watu wanakula. Kwa hivyo DASAC kidogo niona ni afadhali, hata wazazi wangu wanafurahikia.
He thinks that his parents are happy that he's engaged himself with DASAC, and that DASAC at least somehow provide them these materials compared to other teams, because whenever compared to other clubs there he was. Let's say for example somebody has donated things, and then these leaders used to misuse the things by taking to themselves and not providing to them. So he was always struggle to move on, but at the same time he's happy to be in DASAC because DASAC has shown him that he can become better, even if he's not making it football, but he thinks he can become a better person.
So what are your dreams? Do you want to play in Europe or stay in Kenya? Or?
Yeah. Anauliza kwa mfano wewe ukipata nafasi ya kucheza mpira Ulaya, utaweza kwenda ama unahisi hata kama hukupata maisha yako yatakuwa vipi hapa Malindi na hasa kuhusu kazi yako ya uvuvi na kimchezo?
Nikipata chance naweza kwenda huko kucheza mpira na nikajiaminisha nitacheza ninavyotakikana. Na pia hata kama tukupata chance hapa kidogo pia maisha magumu, kazi zenyewe wasiwasi, hatuko kazi ya permanent hapa. Leo kwenda kesho uendi, bahari pengine mbaya, chafu, huwezi kwenda baharini.
He said that if he will ever get a chance to go to play football in Europe, he will surely take this opportunity and he will do his utmost best. But even if he doesn't get the chance to go to Europe, he will see that his life probably will be okay, but not that okay because there's a lot of problem, unemployment, a lack of this and lack of that, especially for youth. And even though that he does fisherman job, sometimes it's very difficult to go up deep sea because the seas are rough and he can't go, so there are times that he stay home, does nothing. But maybe if he get a chance to go back to school, he might consider about that this is poor, no one has offered him apart from the DASAC program.
Has DASAC paid for your education?
Anauliza DASAC inakulipia masomo ama ishawahi kukuofa kama hivyo, maana yake tuseme kurudi skuli?
Kwa nini nikirudi skuli naweza kunilipia masomo?
He's feel and he believe and he trusts that with DASAC program, if he is offered to go back to school, he will prefer to go back to school and finish his education because he's still young and he would like at least to have a basic education like secondary schools, diploma, things like that. So it's just that DASAC cannot provide to each and everyone. There are 5 players who are sponsored with DASAC for the time being, but he just need to have an opportunity, whether it's a job or professional football or education.
Do you provide all the food and money for your family?
Huh? Can you repeat the question?
Do you provide all the food and money for your family?
Wewe ndio unanunua chakula nyumbani na kusaidia familia kwa sababu ya samaki?
Or how much?
Sisi tunasaidiana na mzazi wetu kwa sababu mzazi wetu pia ana kazi permanent kama sisi, tuende hapa apate, na sisi wenyewe pia tunajituma hivyo hivyo, tukienda hapa tupate ndio tunakusaidia nyumbani.
Okay, he thinks that just because he's going up deep sea and providing this, he's trying to help his parents to get some money so they can have a bread on the table. He has to do this to support whatever he can bring from his daily routines. So he thinks obligate that being a responsible at very early age, but he would prefer that he concentrate on school rather than work. But he doesn't have a choice.
What does DASAC mean to you?
DASAC ina maana gani kuhusu wewe? I mean, DASAC kimchezo ama kimaisha?
Is it like a family or?
Is DASAC kama ni team, marafiki, family, yani mnapendana kwa DASAC ama mnacheza tu mpira?
Tunapendana kwa DASAC. La kwanza ni marafiki, hatutoki mbali, tunatoka hapa Shela, Maweni, Majengo, Barani. Kwa hivyo tunapendana, tumesoma skuli sote kwa pamoja mpaka klasi cha 8. Ndio tumeshikana hivyo na DASAC, hatuwezi iacha.
He said that he's been approached by different scouters. For example, there are some Italians who have tried to separate him and his friends, but he'd rather be with his friends and play football in DASAC because DASAC it means like a family or something very important to him in his life locally. So it will be difficult for him to leave his friend behind just because somebody will offer him cheap offers because he knows that these people are here to use him. So he doesn't trust them that much. He trusts his friends and DASAC administration locally.
Thank you.